Hi all, welcome to Electro Valley. This is Sam. In this video, I bought you a very budget laptop for your online classes. You don't believe it? Let's have a look into it. This is the lowest budget laptop available in the market right now. This laptop comes with Pentium quad-core processor, speed up to 1.1 GHz to 2.5 GHz, 4GB DDR3 RAM, 32 GB EMMC storage. The storage which is built on motherboard. Yes, of course, it's less for the storage, but no worries. We have micro SD slot expandable up to 128 GB. 14-inch Full HD IPS display, Windows 10 Home Edition, 64-bit, 3 USB ports, built-in mic and dual speakers. Camera, 0.3 megapixel VGA camera. Yes, it is a bit low, but in this price range we can't really complain on it. 1 kg of weight. And the best part is, all this comes with only 13,990 rupees. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, please like and share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. In case you want to buy the product, I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you.